Hello friends, I Poonam Sharma, Assistant Professor, Byani Girls College, welcomes you on behalf of Guru KPU. Today I am delivering my lecture on tables in HTML. Here we will discuss about how to create tables in HTML. Here we show an example. First of all, we will start the program with HTML tag, head tag, then title tag. Title tag show the title of the web page in the title bar. Here our title is my web page. Now we close the title tag and head tag and start the body tag, which show the actual content of the web page. Here we start a center tag which align all the contents of the web page in center. Now we will start table tag. This is the actual tag which is used to create table. It has an attribute border which is used to display that border on the grid of the table. Cell spacing attribute is used to define the space between two cells of the table, and cell padding attribute is used to define the space between a cell. Width attribute is used to define the width of the table in the web page. This is 80%, that means it covers 80% area of the web page. Now tr tag is used. Tr tag show the table row tag. It is used to create a row in a table. Tr tag also contain a tag th tag, which is used to define define the heading of a cell. It create the cell with heading. Call span tag attribute of the ts tag is used to merge the cells. Here the value is 3, that means 3 cells are merged. Using the ts tag we show a heading student record. Now close the ts tag and close the tr tag also. First row is complete. Now we start the th alignment tag again. Now we start second row and use the th tag using the alignment attribute. It used to align the content. It is center aligned and we display the roll number in the center of the cell. Close the first ts tag to close first row. Second cell is create using the ts tag and align the content center. The content is name, and then again close the ts tag. Third, we again start the third cell heading using the ts tag, align the content center and display the contents class, and close the ts tag and close the row also. Now again we start the third row using the tr tag. Now we will display the content. Using the tr tag we start a new row, and td tag is used to define table definition, that is the data within the table. The first data is 1 and close the td tag. Again second data is name of the student, that is Anshul. Third is class of the student, that is BCA. Now again close the tr tag for closing the row. Third row will start using the tr tag. Again define the table data. Second data is 2, which is used to display the roll number. Second data is name of the student, and third is the class of the student. Now again close the tr tag. Further we will use the tr tag and td tag to display more data in the table. Now we close the table tag, close the center tag, the body tag and HTML tag to close the HTML program. Here we will display the output of this program. Here student record is used in the first row. Here we use the merge the cells of this row. Second, use the th tag to display the heading, roll number, name and class. Third, td tag used to define these data in the table. Thank you and thank you for watching this video. For more details, please visit www.gurukpu.com.